Hi guys, this is my lamb stuffed bell peppers cooked in marinara sauce. This is a very delicious low carb and a high protein meal. So I'm starting off with 2 pounds of halal ground lamb. To that I'm going to add some olive oil and some spices. I'm going to list all the spices above, don't worry. And I'm also adding cilantro, onion, and about 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. I'm using about 5 bell peppers and then I cut them in half and I'm stuffing it with my lamb filling. Now in a big pan, add some olive oil and then I'm cooking them meat side down so my meat gets a little crispy. Cook them for about 5 minutes on each side and then flip them and cover it so the bell pepper can get a little tender. And then pour in your choice of marinara sauce. And then I also added in about 1 cup of chicken stock. Give everything a good jiggle so all the sauce penetrates to the bottom and everything cooks evenly. Cover it and cook this on low heat for at least 15 minutes. And that's it, guys. This turned out absolutely delicious. You guys have to try it and let me know how you guys liked it.